The final countdown in a major key is requested by not a single person ever. So here it is in a minor key, as it's supposed to be played. Beautiful. Now we're going to transition from F sharp minor to F sharp major. As I've talked about before, I don't do relative minors or majors. I want to keep the root note the same. So we're just going to change the key signature to F sharp major so you can hear the difference. And here we go.